Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry, exercise 11.3. So now we will learn second problem, second one. That is, show that cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equals to 0. So this we have to show. This, if you simplify, answer should be 0. We have to show that one. Okay. Same like previous problem. Taking LHS, simplifying that. If you simplify that, we have to get 0 as the answer. Okay. Solution is now. Solution. So first we will take what they gave, LHS. What they gave LHS, they gave like this. Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. This is the given LHS. Now we have to simplify this. So first what we have to do is, we need to convert this both cos in terms of sine, so that we can subtract that. Subtraction symbol is there, we can subtract that. This both you convert in terms of sine. Otherwise, this sine you convert in terms of cos. Here we have cos, so both we can do subtraction. Okay. So let us take this both and convert in terms of sine. For that again we have to write the formula here. Yes, beside this I write the formula. We know that so what we know this formula. Cos 90 degrees minus theta is written as sin theta. That we know. Okay. Now we have to get cos 36. See here. Cos 90 degrees minus theta. How much we have to take? This theta. How much we have to take for getting 36? So I am going to take 54. (90° minus 54 gives 36. So this answer you will get now. Okay. Sin theta means what? 54. So next step you will get the answer. Cos 90 minus 54, 36. So cos 36 answer we got in terms of sin. That is sin 54 degrees. So one answer we got. So we can write cos 36 as sin 54. In the same way, this also you convert 54 also, cos 54. Again the same formula. Cos 90 degrees minus theta written as sin theta. Cos 90 degrees minus theta means what? We have to get 54. From 90 how much we have to subtract for getting 54? From 90 we need to subtract 36 equals to sin theta, answer is 36 degrees. So cos 90 degrees minus 36, 54 degrees equals to sin 36 degrees. Okay. So second value also we got. So these two values we have to substitute now. cos 36, write sin 54. Cos 54, write sin 36 here. Okay. Cos 36, sin 54, right here. Sin 54 degrees into cos 54, write as sin 36. Sin 36 degrees minus remaining this both as it is. Sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now observe here carefully. Sin 54 into sin 36 minus sin 36 into sin 54. These both are same only. Okay. So both if you subtract, answer will be 0. Nothing but RHS. That's it. Very simple problem. By using these formulas, you have to solve this. Okay. Thank you.